Looking for a quick way to beat bloating, feel lighter, and jumpstart your metabolism? This green detox juice is refreshing, cleansing, and ready in under 2 minutes. Hey, I'm Megan, and today I'm sharing one of my go-to detox drinks. It's simple, natural, and the perfect way to start your day feeling energized and refreshed. Stick around till the end. I've got a powerful bonus tip to boost the cleansing effect even more. Here's what you'll need. 2 fresh kale leaves, washed juice of 1/2 lemon, 1 inch of fresh ginger or 1 slice, 1/2 cup, 100 ml of coconut water. Optional, 1 teaspoon of honey or natural sweetener. How to make it? Just blend everything together until smooth. No need to strain it, we want all the fiber. Serve it cold over ice and drink it fresh to keep all those nutrients active and alive. This is the perfect drink to have first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, or between meals as a natural energy boost. It's light, refreshing, and feels like a reset from the inside out. Kale is loaded with chlorophyll and fiber, great for digestion, and detox. Ginger speeds up your metabolism and helps reduce inflammation. Lemon supports immunity and helps alkalize the body. Coconut water hydrates and replenishes your electrolytes naturally. And as promised, check the first pinned comment for a free 3-day detox plan that's packed with tasty, nourishing recipes to help you slim down and feel amazing. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a like, share it with someone who needs a gentle detox, and let me know in the comments, do you like your green juice with ginger or without? Don't forget to hit subscribe. I post new videos every week with smoothies, teas, and foods that help you feel good from the inside out. See you in the next one. Take care.